I've been exploring the Savology Retirement Planner in 2025, and it's quickly become one of the most approachable and well-structured tools for anyone serious about improving their financial future. What I like most about Savology is that it simplifies complex planning into clear, actionable steps without sacrificing quality or detail. Getting started is fast. You answer a few basic questions about your income, expenses, savings, and goals, and within minutes, Savology builds a personalized financial plan. But it doesn't stop there. You also get a full financial report card that grades key areas like savings, debt, insurance, and retirement readiness. The platform then offers prioritized recommendations, which makes it easy to know exactly what to work on next. Savology really shines in how it makes financial planning feel doable. You don't need to be a financial expert to understand your plan or take action on it. The platform breaks things down into simple language and even includes educational resources and tools to help you stay on track. While it's not designed for advanced investment forecasting, it's an excellent starting point for building financial literacy and a strong retirement foundation. If you're looking for a no-cost, fast, and effective way to get serious about retirement and overall financial wellness, Savology is a great place to begin. It's clear, practical, and built for everyday users. If this review helped you out, make sure to like the video, share it with someone who's planning for retirement, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.